Hello everyone, how are you doing? Zatiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix any problems with your Ethernet or Wi-Fi connection. The first step is go to the start menu and type network reset and wait a moment. The best result is this option, one click. And click on reset now, confirm in yes option, close this new window, and to apply the change, restart your computer, go to the start menu, select the power up button and click on restart. Wait a moment, can be patient. Login in your desktop. Enter your password or enter your PIN. And this is all. Thanks for watching. Your problem has been fixed and your network works properly. You can try open it up any web browser and search for any result, for example, to verify your internet connection. Wait a moment. Go to google.com and search for Taylor Swift and works properly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.